Hi, it's Paul with OurChurch.com. Thanks for joining me for this website design frequently asked questions video. In this video, I'm going to address the question, do we need a new website? And to help do that, I'm going to provide you with 6 assessment questions which you and your leadership team can go over together to help you find the answer to this question for yourself. Ready to begin? All right, well, let's jump in with the first question. Is your existing website helping you accomplish your mission and goals? I mean, this is the whole point of the website, right? To help you accomplish your mission and goals. And your mission and goals are going to be different depending on what type of organization you are a part of. So, if you're a part of a church, is your current website helping you to connect with people in your community and helping you to connect with your existing church members? If your organization is a school, is your current website helping you to connect with parents in your community? And is it helping you to communicate with parents and teachers who are already a part of your school? And if your organization is a business, is your existing website helping you to attract new customers and new leads and helping you to communicate with your existing customers? Now, if your website is not helping you to do those things, then definitely you're going to need a new website. But helping you accomplish your goals and your mission, that's a little bit of a vague question. So we're going to drill down into some questions that will help you see if your website is really helping you to do that or not. So, second question, is your current website giving visitors a good first impression? You know, people are going to visit your website before they visit your church, your school, or your business. So if your current website is not giving a good first impression, it's probably not helping you to accomplish your goals and your mission. Third question, is your current website providing visitors with the tools and information that they need? So for example, if your organization is a church, is your existing website helping people to find information about events and life groups and youth group activities? Is it giving them the opportunity to sign up for those things through the website? If your organization is a school, does it have permission slips and registration forms and things like that that would help you to accomplish your mission? And if your organization is a business, does your website give people the opportunity to request more information through an online form? Does it allow people to order directly through your website? Does it provide other information and tools that your customers would want? If it's not, then getting a new website that has those tools and information could help make you much more efficient and connect better with both new customers and existing customers. Next question, is your current website easy to update? If it's not, then it's costing you time and costing you money to do that. And also, if it's difficult to update, you may not be updating it as much or as often as you need to, and so you could have obsolete information on your website. So that's another good reason to get a new website. Fifth question, how does your existing website compare to your competitors? Now I know if you're a church, you don't look at the other churches around you as your competitors. I totally agree with that. But it's a good idea to look at the other organizations around you, look at their websites, see what they have on them, see what they look like, see what they're doing, and then consider how that compares to your website. If you're not providing the same information, tools, features, if it doesn't look the same quality, then that could be giving negative impression to the people who might be interested in choosing your church, your school, or your business. All right, last question, and one of the biggest of all, is a new website worth the investment? You know, oftentimes it really comes down to a numbers decision, right? And so you need to ask yourself, how much is a new website going to cost? And then what are we going to gain? What's going to be the return on the investment of a new of a new website. So if your organization is a church, how many new families do we need to bring into our church to make it worth having a new website? If you're a school, how many new students do we need at our website, or how many new students do we need in our school in order to make a new website worthwhile? And it's probably just one a year if you're a school. And for a business, how many new customers do we need to make it worthwhile to get a new website? So I encourage you, go out, get pricing for websites, and then find out how many new people do we need to attract through our website to make it worthwhile. How much time will it help us to save? That's another part that factors in. And when you run the numbers, I think it's going to help you to determine whether a new website is really worth the investment. All right, well, thanks for watching this video. If you have more questions about website design, or you'd like to talk with a professional website developer about your goals, your mission, and your new website, please contact us at OurChurch.com. We'd love to talk with you.